Really tight between the teams, and we're trying to find a nice balance between really working together but still performing. Each team wants to perform when the time's right, so we're not feeling the heat in the team just yet. It's all still friendly and good training, and I think knowing the human beings in the program, I think there won't be any issues. With the three really strong teams fighting to get up the scoreboard, I think that Australia will be in a really commanding position come the Olympic Games. The more boats in our squad, the better. The Australian laser men's squad is just such an outstanding example of that. Those boys work so hard together, and they're a really tight unit, and they're consistently getting multiple boats in that top 10, and that's definitely our goal. It's a huge hurdle qualifying for the team, and it's such a strong team at the moment, and we did so well at the London Olympic Games that it's a real privilege to be a part of the team and be with my fellow sailing team members. There's so many inspirational sailors amongst us, and there's always someone around to draw on from inspiration, so yeah, it means quite a lot.